how to restore all tabs on Safari iPhone. So if we went right here to our Safari, let's say for example you opened a new 2 pages or maybe 3, 4, 5, 6 even, right? And one of them is Facebook and one of them is Twitter. Okay, now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead and close them completely. Okay, and now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just open up a new tab. And as you can see, this is a new tab. Now what I'm gonna do to restore all of these tabs that I just closed, just click the below right corner right here. And now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just hit the plus button, not to hit it, but hold it. Okay, hold the plus button right here. And as you can see, I opened 2 pages, right? So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna restore it by clicking on it. Okay, it will direct me to the same page. Click the tab at the below right corner. Again, hold, okay, and open up the Facebook website. And as you can see, now you can actually restore the same page that you actually closed right now. So I wanted to demonstrate how you close it completely, and afterwards you get it back by just going ahead at the right corner, okay, and hold the plus button, not to click on it, hold it. And after you close completely those 2 tabs, you're gonna see it appearing right here. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video I upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.